Today, we are going to
the lighthouse hiking like we went before.
That's right, we're gonna go to Makapu'u Lighthouse again.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Nadia,
Yeah, present.
Ethan,
Are you present?
Present.
Olivia,
Present.
Alice,
Present.
Emil, Kushala.
Present.
Let's go!
Let's go, guys!
We made it. We made it to Wahoo Lighthouse.
Yeah. Oahu? I don't remember what it's called. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So nice. Are you excited? Emil? Emil? Are you excited? It's tired.
We're here na sa Makapu'u Lighthouse. Part 2 with the whole gang. Let's go. Let's start the hike in 3,
3, 2,
1. No. Let's go, guys.
We got closer to the entrance and now we're gonna climb to the top. It hurts when you're going down for some reason than going uphill actually.
Go!
Hi! Come on, let's go hiking. Can I
She
jump?
is our tourist guide.
Easier to walk back.
Anong tawag doon, mami?
Word of the day.
Word of the day. Anong tawag doon? So, tinutulak ni Ate Tak. Stroller. Ganda naman nun.
Sundan natin.
Sexy pa.
Sexy. Sexy ko.
Unti-unti nang gaganda yung view lalo. We're what? Almost halfway? Maybe? Or quarter. It's been what? 16 minutes. Let's go. Hi. How is it going? Tired? Already? First stop. Dito tayo nag-stop. Dito kami nag-pictured last time. It's right here. Wait for everybody and then we go. Ano tayo? How's that? Good? How's it, Kuya Ethan? Good. Yeah? Kasla? Tagal? Hindi pa. Loko ka ba? Andun pa oh. Rest lang for a bit. Rest for a bit. Si Kuya Ethan oh. Parang ano oh. Muscle boy oh. Oh, yun pa si Kuya Elise. Whoa, 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 whoa. Show me your muscle boy. Whoa. Ano, mami? How is that?
Tiring, but
Ano?
it's good.
Siring?
It's good into our heart.
It's good to into our heart, huh? And your soul. And it's good into your heart and into your soul. Wala pa dyan. Wait lang. Hindi pa mataas yan.
Ano gagawin? Lulutag na?
Talo na. Stopover is done. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, look at that chest, bro. Look at that chest, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, oh. Hey, nagdadance na sila, oh. Oh, lakas tama, oh. Good job, buddy. Good job, good job, good job. We're men. Let's go. Let's go. Macho man. Macho man. Macho papa ang hanap nyo.
He's gonna turn into a macho man. Oh, yeah, he's one of us now. Yeah, he's one of us now.
One of you guys now.
Yeah, we're men, right? We're men's?
Second stopover. Look out dito. Maganda-ganda na dyan. Pero wala pa rin sa taas. You know. Ganda guys. Going guys. What do you have there, Kuya Ethan?
Tic-tac.
Tic-tac?
Yeah.
Tic-tac.
Is that?
Ito yung muscle mo? Show me your muscle. Oh, tinan mo si Ellis, oh. Showing his muscle. What about you? Oh, wow.
Can you show me your muscle?
Oh, let's go.
Why didn't you take off your t-shirt today, Gerald? It's so nice up here. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, that is one of us now. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Let's go. That is my dad's one of us now.
Gusto daw niya mag-muscle din.
Ay, di tanggalin mo yung damit niya yung muscle boy. Muscle boy, let me see your muscle. Yeah? Okay.
It's coming every
Let's go, Olivia! Hurry up, Olivia! Let's go! Doon kami galing, guys. Give up. Ako naman. Substitution. Pushing Emil. Sa yung taas, oh. Kung nakikita nyo. It's all the way up there. Malapit na. Mga few more minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Wala pa siguro. Nandun na kami. But the view is getting better and better na. Look at this. Boom! Holy smoky. Holy smoky. Oh yeah. Look at that view. Look at that view, guys. Pwede dyan, oh. Let's go. Finish it. Let's finish it.
They don't have washrooms.
Yeah, they don't have washroom, bro. Let's go, Olivia. Almost there. High five. Boom. Sayog sa'yo eh. Watch when we get there. Gonna be more worth it. Lapit na. Mga 5 minutes. Nandun na kami. Not yet. Keep going. No, you going. Malayo pa masyado to. Yeah, almost there. Guys, we're here. Almost there. Couple of steps there, Olivia. Let's go. We're here. Let's go. Woohoo! We made it, guys.
I have to rest.
See how it looks up here again. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Go, Olivia, go. Made it. Look, there's the dog, oh. Sa taas. Let's go, guys. All the way. Almost there, Emil, yeah? Here we go. Ang daming tao. Right? Looks so cool, right, Emil? Yan na. How's that?
Can I sit down?
Yeah, yun, the lighthouse, oh. The lighthouse is there.
Picture. Picture.
Video, picture, let's go. We're here. Picture na. Ang ganda ba, mami?
Ganda. Super.
Worth the pagod?
Yeah, worth it.
Worth it ba kaya, Ethan? You like the view?
Yeah.
What about you, Olivia? You're whining again.
I'm gonna carry you.
You're still going there.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're still going up there.
Wow, look at the muscle, boy. Let me see your muscle, Emil. Oh, that's a big muscle, man. That's so big. Let me see your muscle again. Bababa na kami. Tapos na. Been good. Been tiring. Show the muscles.
It will show your muscles.
Yay!
Kay tatlo, go!
Emil, show me your muscle.
Che.
Yeah! Oh, it's scary there.
Diretso ka lang, April. Natingin na siya sa'yo.
Ang kulit talaga eh.
Give me space, sabi niya. Personal space.
Pero yung channel, buntat din. Emil.
TikTok, boys. Let's go.
1, 2, 3,
Go. Can't believe na after 8 months nakabalik kami agad dito. And then with the whole family. So grateful talaga. And feels so good na, nakikita nila tong na-experience namin before. So, if I were you guys, start taking action. Guys, we made it. We made it down. Let's go. We made it. How was that hike? Good? Tired?
Tired.
Let's go. All done. So, next stop, nandito kami sa Blowhole. We're gonna go see kung saan yung part na nag-shoot yung Pirates of Caribbean on that side. This side, guys. But yeah, Blowhole. This is Blowhole. May mga sapak na po sila. Ayan na po sila, oh. Nakasimangot na po sila. Let's go. Last time pala hindi kami bumaba dito sa side na to. So let's go see what it looks like. Ganda yarn. Yarn dito eh, diba? The view. Ito na yung Pirates of Caribbean. Ito, lo. Ayan, dito sila yon. Boom. What's up guys? Nandito na kami sa Aloha Swap Meet. Shopping. Ayan na sila. Ayan na, shopping na. Ang ganda nung red, oh. Ang bibilin mo? Ah, bili. Ang laki niyan, babe. Magkano yan? Iinit, no? Ganito din kami nung pumunta dito. Iinit, eh. Yung Aloha, sign. Ganda, oh.
How much?
$7?
Daddy, luggage.
Luggage? Sige, tanong ka. Naka-crack pala yung luggage namin, so we need a large. $70. Ito, $85. Tingnan mo yung ilalim. Oh, yan. Pwede din yan. O, para kayo, open mo. Tingnan natin. How much the last price, my friend? 70, that's it? Oh.
Ito. Ay, hindi.
Huh?
Like 2 weeks can be $90.
Oh, why?
Ay,
The tax?
lang siya.
It's my first time here. Come on, man. Please.
78.
No? If I get more. Ayaw niya magpatawad. No discount, guys. Filipinos, always want discount. That's my hat. Bucket hat. I like this hat, though. Ikot pa tayo, isa pa. Madami naman sila dito, eh. Yung matatawadan natin. We got it, guys. Got this hat. Looks cool. We in Hawaii. I like it. Makikita kaya natin yung lady na inano kong yung sa lighter dito. I don't know, 30?
I give you 40, yes or no? That's the offer. Yes, if you don't want, then you can go.
It's okay. Thank you, though. Kabalain, no? I like this hat. Kung ano mga pagkain nilang iniihaw. Let's see kung ano yung iniihaw nila. Oh, Filipino food pala, eh. Kaya pala, eh. Lechon kawali. Oh, may empanada. Ilocos empanada, mami. Ayan, may barbecue. Kaya naman pala, amoy pang Filipino pala, eh. Seafood to. Yung bango nito. Chicken pala dito, eh.
Oh, yung pala, dadaan natin Leonard's bago.
Today? Leonard's?
Pagbalik.
Guys, we got our luggage. Oh my goodness. Scared me. We got our luggage. What's up, guys? Time to go eat dinner. Pupunta tayo saan? Sa food truck. Street food truck. Yeah? Yes po, food truck. Let's go, guys. Yan sila, mga batang makukulit. Dito na tayo, dito na. Let's go. Food truck is over there. All the way there. Here comes the food truck. Ano kaya masarap makain dito, guys? Ano kakainin natin, kuya?
Something good.
Something good? Let's go. Kinlose nila yung main road to have this. Hindi kami makapili kung anong kakainin kasi napakadaming choices. Pero I think we're gonna go buy the barbecue yun sa umpisa. Doon sa unahan. Nandun din sila Ate Tex. What time is it?
Swimming time.
What time is it?
Swimming time.
What time is it?
Skipping time. Skipping time.
Let's go, guys. First time magsiswimming dito sa pool nila. Oh, madami yatang tao. Emil, let's go. The question is, malamig ba ang tubig? Is it cold? Ah, good job, Emil. Good job, Emil. Wow. Tawag kay mama. Go kay mama. Nakainom siya. Are you okay, Emil? Wow.
I can reach. I can reach.
Oh, galing ng bata mag-swimming, oh. Ikaw nga, pakita mo nga. Go. Oh, layo mo pa. Doon sa girl. Doon sa small girl. Layo ka pa.
No.
Go. Ayaw mo yun. Go. Yeah. Oh, good job, buddy. Use your arm too. Go like this. Ayun na sila. Ate Sheila.
Ano ba to, salt water? Or ano?
Baka may halo.
Maano na din, makulorin na din eh.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, anak.
Ayun na sila Kuya Ethan. Nakakawa sila ng chair dun. Oh, 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 oh. Good job! Good job! Go, go, go! Go, Emil! Go! Swim here, swim here! Swim here, swim here, Emil! You're too big for this side.
You too, Daddy.
Look at me, it's all the way to my neck.
Yeah, yeah.
No. Kaya mo lang si Emil, mahahabol ko. Pag nalaglag, mahahabol naman natin eh. Kaya mo siya. Sige, yabang mo ha. Just let him. Sige, bayan ba himself. Come back. Come back here. 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 Come here now. That's malalim. Just here. Look at Kuya Ellis and Ate Livia. See, don't cry. Just stay here, okay? Bye.
I'm a kitty cat.
Are you a kitty cat?
Yeah, I'm a house.
Yung hot tub kaya, mainit? Mainit hot tub ba kaya yun? Ayun dun, oh. Si Emil, oh. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Peace.